In mid-June, the S&P 500 dropped to a yearly low of $3,666, a 23% drop from its January 2022 high. This confirmed earlier remarks that we had slipped into a bear market, and not just your typical bear market, given the number of warnings we've heard from top market experts, macroeconomists, veteran traders, and investors. Earlier in the year, American investor and financial commentator Jim Rogers said this would be the worst bear market and recession of his lifetime. Though it sounded like an exaggeration coming from someone with decades of experience in the financial markets, recent events seem to be confirming these fears. Coupled with the hot inflation figures, the U.S. economy is also battling never-ending supply chain issues and a full-blown war between Ukraine and Russia that is rapidly worsening the energy and food crisis back home. With such a gloomy macro environment, it is unclear when investors can expect a rebound and a return of the bull market. So, it's not an option to stop investing until everything blows over. Millionaires and top traders and investors don't stop investing during a bear market. They merely change their strategies. This is why in this video we are going to be examining the winning investment strategies that millionaires and billionaires adopt during a bear market. Please watch the video to the very end as it promises to be very enlightening. Also, ensure you drop your comments and observations in the comment section below and give this video a thumbs up. Everything helps with the YouTube algorithm. Thanks and enjoy the video. Step number 1. Re-strategize. The first thing you need to do to keep winning in a bear market is to create a winning strategy and stick with it. This generally means making a few tweaks to your investment portfolio, but too many tweaks can hurt your finances in more ways than one. For example, if you sell your investments too often, you would end up with a lot of capital gains, which could hurt your future returns. In addition, the search for high returns could push you into highly volatile speculative assets. So, rather than jump from one strategy to the other, it is best to pick a winning strategy and stick to it. Here is an example of a simple 3-fund portfolio for investors who prefer traditional investment assets. 64% U.S. Stock Market Index Fund, 16% International Stock Market Index Fund, 20% Total Bond Market Index Fund. Investors who prefer cryptocurrencies and other digital assets can simply switch to their highest conviction names. Chasing a new, unproven project simply because it offers 300x gains might not be very advisable because of the high volatility in the markets. Before you make drastic changes in your portfolio, you can also ask yourself the following questions. What is your investment goal? What are you trying to achieve with the changes? Do recent market events support these changes? What's your risk tolerance and time horizon? Stick with your strategy. So, it's a bear market. Everything is dipping and you just want to sell off everything on your portfolio and reinvest when things get better. That would be a really terrible decision because you would be selling low and buying back in when prices are high. Plus, at the rate at which the US dollar is getting inflated, the money you would be putting back in will be worth much less than what you would get for selling your assets now. Instead, see this as an opportunity to buy more assets at a discount. Stay the course and patiently wait for when the markets will swing again. Just as the past bull market ended, it is certain that the bear market will also come to an end. There have been a total of 26 bear markets since 1929 when the S&P dropped to 100 points in the wake of the Great Depression. Since then, it has increased roughly 40 times. So stick with your preferred strategy and look forward to better times. Invest automatically. Investing automatically will help you avoid checking your portfolio too regularly. You will also be less tempted to make rash decisions like selling off your assets. Investing automatically will help you stay the course and weather the storm more easily. Plus, it is quite convenient. And there are many ways you can achieve it. For example, if your employer offers an employer-sponsored retirement plan, you can have them hold something from each paycheck. Just ensure you select your investments so they don't make a bad pick for you or keep your cash uninvested. You could also use any of the trusted exchanges and platforms that allow you to auto-invest. Dollar cost averaging. We left the best for the last. Dollar cost averaging is a simple investment concept that allows you to invest the same amount of money consistently over time, regardless of market conditions. For example, you can decide to invest $1,000 per month in Bitcoin or any other preferred asset. When prices are low, you buy more. When they are high, you buy less. But you buy regardless, and it's not difficult because you are not trying to time the market. In one of his interviews, MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor said his company does something similar to dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin. This shows how golden this investment strategy is. It is convenient, consistent, and very easy to follow. What is your preferred investment strategy for surviving a bear market? Please share all your pro tips in the comment section below. You just might be saving an inexperienced investor trying to escape the gloomy macro environment. IRA allow you to save for retirement in a tax-advantaged way for greater financial security with lots of tax advantages. But most IRA offer the same boring stocks and bonds. Introducing iTrust Capital, the #1 crypto IRA platform in America. iTrust Capital allows cryptocurrency investors like you to enjoy all the exciting benefits of tax-advantaged retirement accounts. It combines the traditional IRA with the new, exciting world of cryptocurrencies. Why should you use iTrust Capital? It is the best crypto retirement platform in America, with some of the lowest fees of any cryptocurrency IRA platform. It gives investors adequate exposure to some of the top cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, and Polkadot. You can buy and sell all your favorite crypto assets while enjoying amazing tax-free gains. It is adequately secured by Coinbase custody with a $320 million insurance to protect against theft. You can easily roll over an existing retirement account or begin a new one when you register on iTrust Capital. iTrust Capital is the trusted crypto IRA for many American investors who love the crypto industry. To join the millions of Americans who use the platform, please click on the link in the description box below. Also, ensure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.